Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making a beach balm Liftoff tea, okay? So, let's get started. Don't forget, you're going to need a 32-ounce cup of ice. So, we'll start with some hot water. 2 to 4 ounces of water. And you want hot water to help dissolve your Liftoff, okay? So, we're going to do an orange Liftoff. And we're going to go ahead and break it up. This just helps it dissolve faster. You don't have to break it up if you don't want to. We're going to do a tablespoon of mango aloe. Don't forget the aloe vera, it's good for your digestion. Or you can do 3 caps of your aloe vera bottle cap. Half a teaspoon of energy tea. Half a teaspoon. I like to use just the regular herbal tea concentrate on most of my teas. But I mean, we do have different flavors: raspberry, lemon, peach, the original like I use, just to keep it more simple. And I could use it with all my teas instead of having to go by a recipe and do lemon on this one recipe. But it's optional, it's up to you. It just keeps it plain. Okay, mix that up. And I'm gonna go ahead and add peach, pineapple flavoring to my base. Bam. Mix that up good. This is our base. It's got our energy, our digestion, our aloe vera, all that good stuff. So peach at the bottom. We're going to add some water. We're going to actually add some coconut flavoring, or you can do coconut water. I like coconut water because I like coconut, but we'll just give it a dash. Just a little bit. Okay. About a tablespoon as well. We're going to go ahead and add some more water. And leave a little room at the top. Get some more hot water, about 2 ounces. Don't matter, just a dash. Just enough to melt your powder. That's really what we're doing with the hot water with the powders, is to activate your Liftoff and then to help dissolve the colors, because with cold water it'll get lumpy. Okay, and this is your beach balm.